like magic, be like fire.
Military-style survival gadgets offer unmatched durability and versatility, making them essential for anyone who values preparedness. These rugged tools are designed to withstand tough conditions and provide tactical advantages in any situation. Let's dive into some of the best military-grade survival gear you can own. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 20. Bolawrap 150. If you're looking for a reliable, non-lethal tool for restraint in tough situations, there's a compact device that allows you to safely immobilize individuals from a distance of up to 25 feet. With its precision targeting and durable Kevlar cord, it wraps around a person's limbs to restrict movement without causing harm. It's easy to carry, with a long-lasting battery and built-in flashlight for low-light conditions, making it a must-have for those seeking effective and humane control options. Number 19. Byrna Ballistipac. A tactical backpack designed for both defense and convenience, it features a hidden body armor system that can be deployed with one hand in seconds. Offering front and back protection, it includes MOLLE webbing for extra gear, such as launchers or magazines. The backpack is durable, weather-resistant, and has plenty of space for personal items with adjustable straps for comfort. With optional bullet-resistant plates, it's an ideal choice for personal security or law enforcement, providing quick access to protection while maintaining mobility. Number 18. Mira Safety CM8M. A full-face respirator designed for ultimate protection against chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear (CBRN) threats. It features a wide panoramic visor for superior visibility and compatibility with night vision and scopes. Made from durable bromobutyl rubber, it ensures long-term protection. The mask uses standard NATO 40mm filters and includes a 6-point harness for a secure fit. Its inner mask prevents fogging, while the durable construction makes it ideal for military, survivalists, and emergency responders, providing reliable protection in extreme conditions. Number 17. Rapid Assault Shirt. A high-performance tactical shirt designed for comfort and durability. It features moisture-wicking fabric to keep you cool and dry. The shirt combines a breathable knit body with durable ripstop sleeves, reinforced elbows, and large shoulder pockets for gear storage. A saddle shoulder design allows for unrestricted movement, while flatlock seams reduce chafing. Ideal for military, law enforcement, or tactical professionals, it seamlessly integrates with body armor, offering both mobility and protection in demanding environments. Number 16. The M48 Liberator Trench. A tactical knife built for combat and survival, it features a 7.5-inch stainless steel blade with a durable two-tone finish. The handle includes a spiked knuckle guard made from fiberglass reinforced nylon, providing a secure grip and added defense. With a total length of 13.75 inches, the knife is designed for precision and power in extreme conditions. It comes with a strong sheath for safe carrying and is ideal for tactical missions, offering reliability and strength when you need it most. Number 15. Vortex Impact 4000. A high-tech laser rangefinder built for precision shooting. It mounts directly to your rifle and provides instant distance, wind, and elevation data. Equipped with onboard sensors for temperature, pressure, and humidity, it ensures accuracy in any environment. With an OLED display, angle compensation, and Bluetooth connectivity, it offers fast, reliable readings. Ideal for long-range shooters and hunters, it delivers accurate ballistic solutions, even at extreme distances, while withstanding tough outdoor conditions. Perfect for enhancing shooting performance without losing focus on the target. Number 14. Rothco Waist Pack. A versatile and durable waist pack designed for tactical use. It's made from rugged 100% polyester for lightweight strength and resistance to wear. The pack can be worn discreetly around the waist or across the chest, offering flexibility. It includes a hidden compartment for concealed carry, along with a secure top zipper for valuables. With 3 multifunctional outer pouches for easy access to gear, it's ideal for missions, exploration, or everyday use, keeping your essentials organized and accessible in any situation. Number 13. Semper Invicta Pactum. A high-tech defensive umbrella designed for close protection, it provides discreet, reliable defense against ballistic threats like 9mm and .40s and W rounds, as well as knife attacks and thrown objects. Made from advanced composite materials, it also functions as a barrier for crowd control and quick evacuations. Lightweight and easy to deploy, it offers vital protection for high-profile individuals and security professionals. Its durable construction and versatile features make it an essential tool for those seeking covert security solutions in public spaces. Number 12. Survival Compass. A durable, military-grade compass built for rugged use, designed with a thermoelastic liquid-filled capsule and luminous dial for easy navigation. Featuring a 360-degree scale, magnifier, inclinometer, and adjustable prism lens, it offers high accuracy and functionality. Waterproof and shake-proof, it's perfect for hiking, camping, mapping, and other outdoor activities. The compass also includes a tripod connection, aiming line, and slope chart for added versatility. Made from heavy-duty zinc die-cast, it's built to withstand harsh conditions with a 2-year warranty and lifetime customer support. Number 11. SOG Flint. A compact and versatile survival tool designed for outdoor adventures and emergencies, it combines essential features in a small package. Weighing under an ounce and measuring just 4.3 inches, it includes a ferrocerium rod for starting fires, a hidden compartment for steel wool tinder, and a carbide-tipped glass breaker for emergency situations. The high-decibel safety whistle adds an extra layer of security, allowing you to signal for help or alert others. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, it's a reliable backup tool for any survival scenario. Number 10. M48 Tomahawk. A rugged and reliable tactical axe designed for combat and outdoor use. It features a 3 3/4-inch precision-cast stainless steel blade for durability and performance. The nylon-reinforced fiberglass handle ensures lightweight strength, while the axe head is securely attached with 3 bolts for added stability. Measuring 15 inches overall, it offers excellent reach and versatility. It comes with a durable nylon sheath for safe storage and easy carry, making it an ideal tool for camping, tactical missions, and survival situations. Number 9. Atwood Rope Dispenser. A compact, durable tool designed for quick access to 550-pound test paracord. It allows you to easily pull and cut the desired length of rope without tangles. Ideal for emergency, camping, or tactical use, it features a built-in high-carbon cutting blade, a heavy-duty belt clip for easy attachment, and a cord grip to prevent unspooling. Its impact-resistant case ensures reliability in tough conditions, making it a practical addition to any gear setup. Available in multiple colors, it's perfect for any outdoor or survivalist mission. Number 8. Microtech Jagdkommando. A high-performance fixed-blade knife designed for elite tactical use, it features a unique tri-edged blade crafted from solid stainless steel. The 3 sharpened edges converge at a piercing point for precise cuts. The handle, with a grenade pattern texture, includes a watertight screw-on cap for gear storage. Lightweight and durable, it is paired with a custom-machined aluminum sheath. With an overall length of 12.6 inches and a weight of 26.8 ounces, it's built for both collectors and tactical professionals. Number 7. Blackhawk Epic Level 3. A high-security tactical holster designed for professionals. It features a Level 3 retention system that keeps your firearm securely in place until intentionally released. With a thumb-activated pivot guard for added safety, it prevents accidental disengagement. The holster is compatible with popular underbarrel lights like the TLR-1 and X300, making it ideal for modern tactical setups. Its ergonomic design ensures a full master grip, allowing for a quick and smooth draw, making it perfect for law enforcement and military personnel. Number 6. Nocry Guard Pad. Designed for tough tasks, these knee pads offer superior comfort with high-density EVA foam and a thick gel cushion, providing joint support and comfort throughout the day. The reinforced elastic straps and military-grade rivets ensure a secure, non-slip fit during demanding work like gardening or construction. Featuring a durable heavy-duty cap, these knee pads protect while remaining lightweight. Quick to put on and take off, they include adjustable straps and a convenient hang loop for storage. Built to last, they come with a lifetime warranty, making them ideal for professionals. Number 5. Blackhawk Foundation MOLLE Belt. A tactical belt built for durability and functionality, it features a low-profile design with MOLLE compatibility, offering a solid platform for essential gear, made with double-layered scuba webbing and a 1000D 500D laminate nylon outer layer. It includes laser-cut MOLLE slots for easy attachment of accessories. The belt's hook and loop interior surface secures it to an inner belt, ensuring stability during wear. Ideal for law enforcement, military, and tactical use, it combines comfort and reliability for demanding operations. Number 4. Competition Medkit. A compact and durable tactical first aid pouch designed for fast access in high-intensity situations. Made from tough Cordura 500D, it features dual hook and loop closures for quick deployment. Inside, elastic loops and anti-slip pullers securely hold medical essentials, while an external shock cord compresses the pouch or secures extra items like a tourniquet. Compatible with MOLLE PAL systems and belts up to 50mm, it's perfect for tactical operations, shooting ranges, or outdoor adventures, ensuring you're always prepared for emergencies. Number 3. Guardian Chest Rig. A tactical chest rig designed for flexibility and efficiency. It offers multiple magazine pouches, a central admin pocket, and MOLLE PAL's webbing for attaching extra gear. With adjustable shoulder straps, it ensures comfort during extended use, while loops for hydration systems and antennas add to its functionality. The modular design lets you customize it for specific needs, making it ideal for military, law enforcement, and tactical users. Lightweight and breathable, it provides quick access to essential equipment and enhances mobility in dynamic environments. Number 2. Survival Axe. A multi-use survival tool that combines a machete, shovel, brush axe, and knife into one versatile design. Upgraded from the traditional model used by the U.S. Army since World War II, it's perfect for camping, fishing, hunting, and bushcraft. The ergonomic Atwood handle reduces fatigue and provides multiple grip options for various tasks. Crafted from high-carbon steel and treated for maximum strength, this tool is built to last. Handmade by Amish craftsmen in Lancaster County, it comes with a leather sheath for safe storage and a timeless finish, making it an essential tool for any outdoor adventure. Number 1. Eberlestock Gunslinger II. A rugged modular tactical backpack built for military, law enforcement, and serious outdoor use. It offers a full-length rifle scabbard for secure, discreet weapon storage. With 2,700 cubic inches of space, adjustable shoulder straps, and a padded hip belt, it provides comfort during extended missions. The pack features multiple compartments, MOLLE webbing, and top-front access for versatile gear organization. The internal frame system ensures support for heavy loads, making it ideal for hunters, shooters, and tactical professionals who need reliability and durability in demanding environments. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.